Hi, Swamiji. Since the Homa last night, I'm very, very hoarse and having very much tightness in my chest.
I'll clear it. I'll clear.
I also have something.
See, actually, when this root pattern completion and completion with others happen, the very root of your disease will be leaving your system. That
Lupus.
pulling it out, erupting out is happening.
Yeah.
That is why you are going through this. Now it will start getting healed by tomorrow.
Yes.
And that healing will be permanent. Like how is recovery?
Yeah.
His recovery now will be permanent.
Yes.
Like that, the permanent recovery will happen. Don't worry.
Yes. I had quite an amazing experience at Mother Ganga. I don't know if you heard how. I was going down in, and as my feet touched the water, that step was very slippery, and I slipped, and I boom, very hard, and I have very bad
I
major
understand.
back pain. So
I-
at the tailbone, I hit first, and then middle back, upper back, and neck, right elbow, right knee, were all my pain. Long story short, one of the volunteers came over and she said, "Ma, do you realize?" Well, I got very upset when that happened. I almost didn't go in because I was hurting so very badly. And I was really disappointed, but I said, "No, I'm not going to let this steal from
I
me."
tell you,
And so
I
I
tell
went
you.
in the water.
When Ganga does, she pulls out the whole karma.
I believe that it was a cosmic readjustment of the spine, maybe. I took
You
it
are
as
right.
that.
You are
So
right.
superficial
And
pain.
I will heal you. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Swamiji, kitchen side, please. I have.
I'll prove to you Ganga never does bad.
I was with a homeopathic woman, a healer. She's doing homeopathy, and she brought me to these devil things.
What?
Yeah, she said that books are right, where stories about devil and reptilian things are standing. And I was afraid about 2 or 3 years. And
Better don't continue with any of that anymore.
I should not be with
You
her.
should not leave
Okay.
it.
Okay. But she's the best one.
Devils need to be forgotten, not to be remembered again and again. Devils need to be forgotten, not to be remembered again and again.
நித்யானந்தம் சுவாமி
சொல்லுங்க.
சாமி வீட்டில் உள்ள நாய்க்குட்டியை வந்து நான் கார் ரிவர்ஸ் எடுக்கும்போது தலையில் ஏறி
இறந்து போயிடுச்சா?
ஆமாம், அது ரொம்ப நாளாக மனசில் இதாக இருந்தது.
அந்த ஃபோட்டோ இருக்கா நாய்க்குட்டியோட ஃபோட்டோ?
வீட்டில் இருக்குது சாமி. இப்போ நான் ஷேர் பண்ணேன்.
எடுத்துகிட்டு வர சொல்லுங்களேன். எடுத்துகிட்டு சொன்னால் அந்த எனர்ஜேஷனில் காமிங்க எனக்கு. அந்த சோலை ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணி விட்டுறேன். அப்போ உங்களுக்கு அந்த கில்ட் போயிடும்.
சரி சரி சரி.
அந்த ஜீவனை ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணி விட்டேன்னா உங்களுக்குள்ளே இருக்க அந்த சஃபரிங் போயிடும்.
சரி சரி.
அது ரிலாக்ஸ் ஆகிற வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்குள்ள அந்த சஃபரிங் போகாது.
ஓ சரி சரி.
எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க, ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க.
சரி சரி.
Nityananda Swamiji, ladies. In the last 7 years when I was in US, I used to drink a lot of soda, chocolate, and also this fluoride water. So I developed some cavities. So I have a nightmare of drilling my teeth, and I had the fear.
I'll heal you.
Yeah,
Take this Aritaki powder every day.
okay.
In 2 months, the whole fluoride effect will leave the system.
Okay. Sure.
You will become all right.
Yeah.
See, in 60 days, even 2 years of fluoride effect on your system will be healed. So, I strongly recommend, especially if you are living in the states where your water is fluoridated, Texas, Oklahoma, Minnesota, Illinois, all these states,
California.
fluoridate, no, California is not.
It is.
No, it's banned. California, it's banned.
Not in where I live in California, it is. It's very
See that,
fluoridated.
1 year before, California has banned fluoridating the water. I can even show you the order. And Texas is fluoridating. So please understand, if you are living especially in these states, and I strongly recommend you do not drink the water supplied by the government, and you do not take bath in the water supplied by government. You do not brush your teeth with the water supplied by the government, and take this Haritaki powder for 60 days every night. And if you suspect even in California it is done, better you also take the Haritaki powder. You will be, the toxic accumulation inside your system will be healed, it will be cleaned. and it will be very big cleaning.
What shall we use instead? I mean, I'm drinking from the,
I think you should get the bottled water and use.
yeah.
Or the borewell waters are more safe.
We're gonna put a filter on the home.
Borewell waters are safe.
Swamiji,
Or you get any professional fluoride filter.
We'll put the filter on the home.
And the processed turmeric, that kumkum, if you apply that on your skin, 40% goes inside the skin. That is why you are asked to keep that kumkum, because 40% goes inside. That is directly, it will remove the effects of fluoride.
actually, I was in Minnesota only, Swamiji. And the reason I want to share, Swamiji, yesterday I saw one of the teeth is becoming white, actually, Swamiji. And that's why today I did completion with my body also, Swamiji.
Do it and stop using fluoride toothpaste, and all the meat in US and Europe is heavily fluoridated. All of you know that? All the meat, whether it is chicken or mutton or beef, all meat is heavily fluoridated in US and Europe. Be informed about it.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Fluoride is the first enemy of your joyful living. Fluoride is the base. When it starts getting accumulated in your body, the incompletions don't leave. You see, sometime, for some people, the same incident, same incompletion, in 2 minutes they will be out and fresh, alive. For some people, 2 days they will not be out. That is because of the fluoride content in the body. So please understand, and I also request you, these 21 days, if you just eat the food we are serving, that itself will cleanse your stomach. Do not pick up anything outside and eat. Do not pick up even water bottle outside. If you want water bottles in the room, take it from here and go. So I make sure here you are fluoride free for 21 days. So that itself will be so much of cleansing. Cleaning. Please understand, at least while you are getting into the space of completion, you need cooperation from all sides. Not just mind, not just your psychology, even your physiology need to be supporting it. Your physiology need to be aligned to it. So take the help of physiology also to go through the completion. Once you are established in the completion, after that nothing touches you. After that, drink fluoride and eat fluoride and roll on the fluoride, nothing will touch you. Understand? But till you are established, it is good. And even after that, I tell you, if you are a human being, you can't eat meat. You can't eat. How will you eat some animal for your breakfast, for your snack? You will kill an animal? And you call that as animal? Understand, if you consider you are my disciple, you will not touch non-veg. If you are my disciple, forget non-veg. Forget anything comes from violence. Don't touch the silk which comes by killing the worms. There is silk with metal zari. Actually, I have declared our whole Sangha as the non-violent, where I can say at least 90%. Still, I am not yet completed 100%. At least 90%. We banned leather products. We banned anything comes from violence. How can you eat for your snack? You will kill a life. I think we should become more sensitive to life, and every life has a right to exist. Every life has a right to exist. And no one has a right to take away the life. Only Kala Bhairava has a right to take life. No one else. No one else has a life right to take the life. And not only that, even if your body is habituated to non-veg, all your taste, your pain, your pleasure, everything becomes insensitive. You don't live. There is so much of insensitivity exists in you.
Swamiji, will that affect the process of the third eye, the fluoride consumption for this last 1 year?
Don't worry about the past. I'll work on it and clear it. Make sure you don't do it again.
Okay. Sure.
And as on now, if you come with any level of damaging, even if your third eye has gone for a tour, I can bring it back and awaken it. I can heal it. I'll fix it in a place and make it happen.
Okay.
But make sure that you, in course of your further, in your future, you just,
Actually, I gave the mic to him, Swamiji, but still I want to hear it from you.
I understand.
Swamiji,
I understand. I'll make sure that now it's cleaned and your third eye is awakened. Make sure that in future you don't allow this damage to be repeated.
Swamiji.
Vegetarian தானே? முதலியாரு ஆனா என்ன அவர் மருமகன்னா பின்ன முதலியாரா தான் இருப்பீங்க பின்ன நேச்சுரலா
Swamiji from stateside. Question.
இதுக்கு மேல விட்டாச்சல் இதுக்கு மேல வரக்கூடாது. டிஎன்ஏ டேமேஜ் ஆயிருங்க. அந்த நம்ம பெரியவங்க வச்சிருந்த டிஎன்ஏ அவைக்கன் பண்ணலாங்க.
Swamiji, question about the cow milk, especially in US. What's your advice on that? I mean, I'm the vegetarian.
No, please understand. Have the milk from organic, non-violent dairies like ISKCON dairies. Other than that, don't touch. Where cow is life for people. ISKCON has dairy now, I think more than 100 places in US. They have goshalas where they don't kill, don't give any animal protein, they don't feed animal protein, and they don't torture them. It is so beautiful. It's a non-violent milk. That is, and it is not costly. It's not costly. It's, I think, 70 cents extra per gallon. It's nothing. 70 cents extra per gallon is nothing. Go for ISKCON milk.
Swamiji.
It's available in all the whole stores, whole food stores and organic stores.
And second question is, Swamiji, how do you, I mean, do we have any advice for the what food we should be eating? I mean, do we have any literature or anything which
We have a literature and the diet we are giving here. There is a book available. Originally it is in Sanskrit. And then it's called Shubha Shastra, where Mahadeva talks about cooking and where he gives elaborate instructions, around 20,000 verses. And it is translated in Tamil. In Tamil it is available. It's translated in English. Just the other day I was doing proofreading. It will be uploaded in the net. You can download it. It's free.
Thank you, Swamiji.
But I have not yet finished the whole thing. Whatever I finished, you can start.
Swamiji.
Mahadeva is very cool guy. He talks about hot chocolate. 12 variety of hot chocolate. I don't know. 60,000 years before he talks about hot chocolate. See the language, Sanskrit, in which this book is written, it's a 60,000 years before language.
I think one of your satsang you mentioned about officially announced the hot chocolates is the...
Mahadeva talks about it. Still we have not, see, he talks about how to extract it in an organic way. That we have not yet got the translation. Once we get the translation of that, I'll put it in the website. And in all our ashrams, we will make it available.
Swamiji.
Swamiji.
He talks 40,000 verses on building the house. He talks about building Goshala. He talks about the fabric we need to wear, the way we need to wear, and gives such variety, and almost 18,000 verses just on sex, and 20,000 verses on pregnancy and delivery, And every zone, every area is giving such elaborate, detailed vision document. And people may say, no, somebody would have written and put the Mahadeva's name. And if this detail can come out of one brain, he is already Mahadeva. He has achieved the state of Mahadeva, I can tell. The language was so straight, non-confusing, and so much of clarity.
Question. Two questions. You talked about ISKCON milk. At our house, we get raw milk. Is that okay?
I don't know about
Okay.
it. Say, other than ISKCON milk, no other dairy, I can vouch that they are non-violent.
Okay. Okay.
Now, the Los Angeles Jain temple is started the Goshala, but they are not successfully able to run, they collapsed it. It
Okay.
got collapsed.
Okay.
They have shut it down.
Okay.
See, the Los Angeles, there's a Jain temple, you know that big Jain temple.
No, I'm from New Jersey.
Ah, okay.
Sorry.
Oh,
East
sorry.
Coast.
So LA, there is a big Jain temple.
Mhm. Okay.
They tried. I think they are rich people, but they don't have hands-on people.
Okay.
ISKCON, they have hands-on people
Yes.
who live with cows and they are successful.
Okay.
They are very successful. I am planning now in California, San Jose.
Great.
Swamiji?
And for the next question.
We have a large land in St. Louis. Just we are working on getting somebody hands-on. We have a large property in St. Louis.
Okay. The other question I have is that earlier I had asked you that if I'm innocent and I'm accused, and you told me to dig deeper. I dug deeper and I discovered that, yes, you're right. And then I got depressed.
I tell you, even we want to believe we are victim, so we shout so loudly. We don't want anybody's voice that we are not victim to come up, including our voice.
Okay. Okay. I got depressed and after
You don't need
talking
to be depressed. Do completion.
Yes.
It will take away the powerlessness.
Okay. After talking to everybody, I got out of it.
Swamiji? In April, I started the 10 days of Devi, and I did Tapasya. I did like 6-7 hours a day, and then on the 4th day, there was a lot of hangama in my house with my son, and I had the first.
For what he was making hangama?
Oh, it's a long story. He's a programmer.
Now what you started doing 10 days, tell me that word.
I was doing tapasya. I was doing pratna. I was doing prayers
Oh, okay.
and all that. Yeah. So for the 10 days of Devi. After the 4th day, because there was this hangama with my son and just a lot of other things, even though I was in my house, I did not leave my house. I was doing it, paka paka. Anyway, I had the first panic attack in my whole life. I've been anxious, but never panic. I thought I was going to die. And so I've been working through it, and it's much better. When I did the morning completions was Vaishali Ma. The first time I did the real completion, where I wrote, and then my resistances, it started again. Not as bad. And so, but slowly, it's been going away. But I guess I ask for your blessings that it will be removed totally.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
I'd like to do practices again.
I'll do it.
Swamiji,
deity side.
Swamiji, go ahead.
Swamiji.
Which side?
Mahadeva's kitchen side.
Yes.
Guruji, I've been doing completions on a son who passed away. Should I bother with knowing why, or just acceptance is good enough?
No. Don't accept, don't try to bother why. Just do completion, it will melt down. Even if you come to know why, I can tell you why, it will create 200 other questions. It is not going to solve the issue. Sometimes questions don't solve the question.
It's complete.
My answers are only going to make more questions. They are not going to solve your question.
Swamiji, deity side. I think the yesterday process is getting out some of emotions, and at morning I cannot even talk. My throat was like really tough. So I asked him for you to bless me and heal it.
I'll heal it.
And one question, I don't want to bother you with this, but I want to keep you close to me when I get back home. Not only here, it's something that connects me so much with
I'll
you.
do it.
It's the music. So how can we get the music that
I'll
you're
tell
putting
them
here?
I'll tell them to make this whole thing, upload it, and you guys can download.
Great.
And I tell you, you have taken the best decision in your life, coming to IA for honeymoon.
Great.
Your
I know,
life,
I know,
actually
I
now
know.
it will become honey sun,
I know.
not just honeymoon. You understand?
Thank you.
Honeymoon is always 16 days. That's why that honeymoon.
Yes.
Now it will become honey sun.
Thank you.